Today we're checking out the OPR tailgate molding with a tailgate step button opening for the 2015 to 20 F-150s. If your tailgate trim is cracked, faded, or you've got a beat up piece that makes the whole truck look older than it is, this is one of those simple, make it look right again upgrades, so it's definitely worth looking into. This tailgate molding is built to restore that clean factory look with an OE-like fit and finish. One nice feature here is the tailgate step button opening, which means this piece is made specifically to work with a step-equipped tailgate, so you're not trying to modify the generic molding or fight a part that doesn't quite line up. And another good bonus is it has a little filler piece, so if you don't have the tailgate step, you just slide this in right here, and it's like it was never there. This is a great option if your original trim has taken a hit, the finish is peeling, or you've got that annoying scuffed up look right where everybody sees it from behind the truck. It's also a smart move if you're cleaning up the truck for a fresh look, matching a new badge, or just trying to keep everything looking tight and well cared for. It's one of those parts that doesn't sound exciting until after you install it, and then right away the entire rear end of the truck looks a lot cleaner. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting matte black automotive grade thermoplastic construction. It's also UV treated, so it's designed to hold its shape and handle sun, weather, and regular washing without looking cheap or fading over time. It's built to fit the tailgate properly and keep the factory style lines, including the correct cutout for that tailgate step button, so that's always a nice feature. When it comes to the pricing on this, it's coming in right around the mid-100 price range. For a direct fit replacement that fixes the look of the tailgate and keeps your step button function right where it should be, that's a solid value compared to messing with universal trim that never fits clean and usually just looks a little bit off. Now when it comes to the install on this, it's getting rated a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in just 20 minutes of your time. So let's see exactly how that install goes with a quick video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
Here are the tools I used for the install of the tailgate step molding on my Ford F-150. First tool you'll need is a trim tool, automotive trim tool, available at most parts stores. Next you'll need a drill and a bit. The bit size that I used is 3/16. Seemed to work perfectly for the rivets. Next is your standard handheld rivet tool, rivet gun, and just in case, a mallet to seat the step. If you're going to use this, make sure that the clips are aligned. You will break them if you don't. I'm going to show everybody how to change out these old tailgate moldings and replace them with a new one, because if yours is like mine, it's needing to be replaced. First step, you're going to push the button and you look at your step. Under here, there's 2 rivets, plastic rivets. You want to get a trim tool, which I have one right here. Start with your trim tool. Go underneath. Take 1, 2 of those out. I'm going to take a pry bar or a trim tool, find the gap between the metal on the step and this molding. In mine, the clips are broke, so it's literally just going to come off. The next step is going to be to remove these side covers. If yours are in good shape, you don't have to. Mine are cruddy and faded. So when you close the step, you'll see these aluminum rivets, just smaller than the actual rivets, and you'll drill out the heads. I believe this is a 3/16 for anybody at home. So now when you open the step, these plastic pieces will be free. So to install those, I'm gonna need some kind of rivet gun. Pneumatic's nice, but these work really well if you don't deal with a lot of rivets. You gotta size this appropriately. Use the wrench. We're using this style. So load the rivet, the rivet gun. Pull the step about halfway out. Side cover. And make sure that you got holes lined up. And there's, looks like molding that locates it. I'm going to insert the rivet all the way into the plastic. Once it's all the way in, give it a squeeze until it breaks. Load your other rivet. Yeah, that puts the new inner covers in. For the main cover, we install the button into the molding. There's little plastic dowels that will align the step. Start at one end. Be dealing with these plastic retainers. All should line up pretty close. Plastic retainer. Same thing. And that is fully installed. Works like it should. Looks really good. Thanks.
That wraps up our review and install of the OPR tailgate molding with tailgate step button opening for the 2015 to 20 F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.